All right, we're in an early morning trade here on MRM. It is 6:39 a.m. on August 26th. We have been trading this all pre-market. Started this morning on this run up here. Bought and sold, bought and sold, bought and sold on the lows. Bought here, sold on the highs. Bought here and here. And sold some here to lock in profits. We're up 93, we're up $92 on MRM, up 3% on our account. We are in a couple other trades, APDN, GDC, and of course SIRI. Majority of our money today has obviously come from MRM, up $92. APDN down about 8, and GDC down about 25. So ultimately would be up closer to $100 today if I didn't take the other trades, and would have more money to use to get in and out of this one main trade here. Hope you guys like the new setup, as I am starting to use 1 minute, 5 minute, and 30-minute charts. On the support level here, you can see clear as day. A lot of resistance at 654 pre-market, and now there's been a lot of support at 654, resulting in it being a little bit bullish now. So it is staying above the support level here, which is just fantastic. As long as it stays above support, we might even see those 674 levels again. I did sell some at 695, as I was getting a bit too risky. As you can see here, it keeps dropping down to that 680, 684 level. So average share price is 689. I sold 50 at 695 just to lock in a little bit more profits and reduce my position size. Could have sold up here at like 710. That would have been really nice, as this may begin to sell off now. I think I will lower this to that 710 mark. Now it could break, it could not break, but yeah, ultimately up $90. We are going to talk about it in our Monday morning live stream, so definitely be aware of that. And if you guys want to tune in, I trade live at Market Open every single day with the Learn to Earn team. We will see you all there. Excited to see what happens with these trades too as well. Very nice run up this morning though. Green candle is going to push up again. It had a nice run up this morning at Market Open, from those lows of 240 to highs of 775 for a 200% morning profit. Very nice. 5-minute candles red from these last candles here, so let's see if we could flip around and get it back to green. Thank you. A lot better. I don't even know how I did that. Whoa. I don't know, it looks a lot better though on the side like that. Over? I cannot. All right, we'll see what happens on this next bounce. It has been bouncing right around that 683, 684 level this morning, so we'll see what happens here. About 680, I want to say. 680. Yeah, 680. Has been bouncing right off of that level as well this morning. Last couple of times. Now this was on the pre-market scanner. So if we go to screeners, this is what you'll see. Go over to tops, over to top gainers, and it was the top one this morning. It's been up almost 200% since the very start of the morning. Another one that I was interested in was in Mira. It hasn't really been doing much so far this morning. And then I got in on a PDN, as that one is a continuation play from the other day. So hopefully that would reflect as well. It does kind of suck. My charts don't change at the same time. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put them all on the exact same level. Chart setting to where we can put all three charts on the exact same stock ticker when we adjust it. Interesting. All right, does look like it is beginning to sell off. Now, the news on this today was that it has a partnership with NFES Technologies in capital and business alliances. So there was a alliance formed between these two, a business partnership here. It also boosts the Series A funding, and some technically some good news here this morning. We are still trading it. We are still doing okay here. Testing that 680 level. Now, if it can break, it could break below 680. Yeah, I really don't like this setup very much. But I do like the way that I can use all the see everything, right? It's nice to be able to see everything. I guess I don't really need my position there, right? I could take that off. Chart settings, appearance. Oh, trade actually. Cost basis. Open orders. Guess it's okay to have open orders. Trading record is okay as well. There, it's not like in the way now. Dang. Okay, bouncing off of that 680 level. Let's see what happens. Here we go. We may just have to get out at that 710 level. And it's still early, guys. I mean, it's still only pre-market. That's what I had to keep telling myself too. But if it's finding resistance here, there's no point in having a lot of shares in. So I did get rid of the majority of my shares here. Still for a profit. But right now would be down a lot more if I didn't do that. Now this is shortable. It's kind of hard to borrow. Maintenance requirement is 300%, and the estimated borrow fee rate is 18%. 18% to short this. Now that is for the year, not for the day. Whatever 18% is divided by the number of trading days or whatever is how many days it would be per hold. Okay, tested that 685 level, 680. Actually, I think it got down even lower. It got down to 675, indicating signs that it is making lower lows now. See if we can get one more push here on MRM. If not, then we will just get out. No big deal. We have already made our money today on this. Honestly, probably shouldn't even be in on it right now. for the simple fact that we did already make our money. It did already run up 200%. I mean, this is done. This is done. It's already made its move for the day. And it doesn't look like there's a lot of volume. There's a lot of volume on this last candle. More recently here, this red candle. That's pretty much it. So there's really no volume in this anymore either. It's going to make it hard for it to go up and down. Still very cool. Up $89. It was $120 at one point at the ultimate high. Sold at that 120 level and should have just sold. Honestly, the 50 shares at the 730 that I was looking at, 730, 7 even, because I put it to 750 and it was too late. And then also holding earlier too. If I would have held earlier, because I sold 100 shares at that 630, 650 mark. If I would have held them to 100 or to to $7. I would have just held it to 7. I would have been up $200 already and in and out of the trade with a bunch more money to spare to save myself from all the trades I made. So like right here, I sold too early. I bought and had nice averages. And then I don't know why the buys are up here and the sells are down here. I hate that. But like I bought at 546, sold at 630. I bought at 580, sold at 606. I bought another 25 at 6, another 25 at 558, which brought my average way down, and then sold 25 at 612, and then 25 at 610. Bought some more at 620 and 590 and 596. And then right here, I should have held up to the 7s. I sold at 630, 660, and 696. So if I would have even held these 50 shares to that even almost $7 mark, we would be up almost $200. And then if I would have held the 75 shares up to 75 cents, that would have been like another close to $75, like $60. It would have been like $300, and I wouldn't have had to worry about buying in anymore. I bought in again at $7 and at 685. Had an average of 689. 689 was my average, and sold at 695. So pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. I like my cost basis on there. I really do. Shows me how low I can go, right? 689. We're there at 689. Pushed up to $7. If this doesn't move, we may just have to sell it at 7. 16 shares isn't a whole lot to keep watching. So yeah. Could also go down pretty good, significantly too. So we'll just go 7. If it touches 7 again, we'll sell it. I think it has kind of a big spread on it. Let's take a look here. 696. That's another thing I'm going to have to add to this. Let's go to the widget. Add a widget. Add a widget. Widgets. Remote order entry. Quotes. Oh, I have this on here. can order it. You could do this one set as a group. Can't do the other ones for some reason. $686. Whoa, there we go. $91. We're up 91 again. 16 shares. Oh, we got it. All right, cool. So we sold that last one at $7 even, 15 shares. Of course, it goes up to $7.15 where we were just at. That's okay. We locked in $91 on the day. And here we go. It's almost 7 o'clock, so this is probably going to start pumping up. Going up even higher than I expected. Selling 50 shares at $6.95 and another 15 shares at $7. Multiple orders back here in these levels here today. Great day to trade. Great freaking day. Still have a few positions open, so very, very excited about where this ended up. Could have sold at $7.15. 66 shares at $7.15 would have been another $30 to $40. I think it would have been a little closer, like $40 in profit. So unfortunately, missed out on about $130. I think I took a screenshot of it when it was up that high. Let me take a look. Yeah, it would have been an additional 30, so it would have been up to $117. Nonetheless, made some really good money today. Very happy with the money that we locked in. And as you can see, it is going to start selling off. So good thing I only have one share at $2. We're going to keep this open so we can reference it here for a little while and do some videos. And yeah, we are going to go from there. Man, I do not like this level 1. So weird. That'd be nice on a very small little area somewhere, but there's literally nowhere I can actually put it that would be a good place to put it, right? Guess I can go up here and put it in my order book. I just don't like that because usually it would show me like 10 or 20. It does on my phone, so I think I'm just gonna remove order book 1. Yeah. All right, market opens in about 30 minutes, and that is when we will be live trading in the market. So definitely wait around to see that. Time format, let's go 24-hour. That is not right though. Mine says 6:57, this says 8:57, so it's still off in time. Anyways, made $81 or $91 on here, up 60 bucks, 3%. Still have a couple of open positions, APDN, GDC, and Series. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. This was a pre-market breakdown of MRM on a momentum trade stock. So I hope you guys enjoyed.